Hi guys, welcome back to day 4 of the Flylady cleaning and decluttering challenge. Now there's this tray here that I did the kitchen vignette. I want to put those items away, and I want to decorate and clean the side here of my kitchen that I never got to that. So let's get started on that. I think I'm done. I love this. I came up with this little bouquet of my vintage kitchen tools. You know, I want to enjoy them. I'm obsessed with this. And I had them in a drawer, and now I can really enjoy them in a range kind of centerpiece. So yeah, okay. I'm done that. This I'm going to leave here because I use this to cook a lot. So far, so good. Okay guys, I want to vacuum the baseboards here in the hallway, and then I'm going to wipe them down. Can you see how dirty that is after I sprayed it? Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so now that turned out pretty nice. Now I'm going to be mopping. And I want to show you guys a mop that I got that I do not recommend if you have real wooden floors. I have real vintage wooden floors. And by using this mop that had such great reviews, has made my wooden floors like whitish. So I don't use that anymore. I'm actually back to my old-fashioned way I mopped. The mop I'm talking about is this baby. Yeah. This liquid in here is not good for real wooden floors. So this I'm going to get rid of. See who wants it. It's got a brand new bottle of liquid. I can't use it. I'm not liking the results. So I'm just going to go to my old way of mopping. I bought this mop, I don't know, maybe 15 years ago for $7. It's a Mr. Clean brand. I bought it at Big Lots. And it comes with these that you just attach here to the mop. And guys, I've had it for so many years. It works great for me. So that's what I'm going to use back to the old way. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me in day 4. Sorry that I did the vents, I wiped all that down, and I forgot to click record. So I did all that and I didn't get to record it. So everything's looking really nice. Love this empty hallway. And guys, don't forget, there's a lot of Flylady information that'll lead you to Sofia's channel. There's also some cleaning supplies that you can buy through the Flylady. All the links are in the description box below. And to visit Sofia's channel, all you have to do is click right over here and it'll take you directly to her. Thanks, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.